In LinkedIn, did you know that when you view people, people can see that you view them, right? There's an option for you to see who view you as well, okay? But sometimes you want to keep it private. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your viewing in terms of being private or semi-private. So this is a tutorial on how to browse your LinkedIn profile in private or semi-private mode. Now, before I begin, if you're new to this channel and you want to grow your influence, your followers, do subscribe to this channel. And now I'm going to show it to you in two places as usual, computer and in mobile. And without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's go. Okay, now first of all, let me show you what it means by when people browse your profile, you can see the people. Or when you browse other people, the people can see you as well. So this is what it means. Okay, when you view in private mode, so you can see that who view you in the profiles, in your profile section. That means when the people go inside their profile, they cannot see who view them, and you can see it is in private mode. But if it's semi-private, you can see your characteristic like job title and things like that. So let me show you where you can see it. This is my LinkedIn profile. You can just go to the LinkedIn main page, and then you can see here profile viewers. Just need to click on that, and there you can see viewers you might be interested in. So these are the people that view me for the past 90 days. Of course, I cannot see them as well, and they cannot see me as well, so that you can see at least where they are from and things like that. If you want to hide it, like what I want to do, sometimes you want to view people's profile to get some idea, right? And you don't want them to see you. Up to you whether you want them to see you or not. So let me show you how you can do it. So this is my LinkedIn account. Where do you do it? Click on me, click on settings and privacy, click on visibility, and there you can see profile viewing options. So you can turn on your name, so you can see see the full name, or you can see private profile, only advertising specialist, or private mode, anonymous LinkedIn member. So again, it totally depends on you, how you want it to be. And of course, if you do not want people to see it, just put private mode. But there's something that you need to take note on. If your premium account, so some people, they bought the premium account, they can still view them, okay? You can't view names or private view on your own profile. So this is something that, you know, if you want to pay, you can do it, okay? Something to take note. Alright, so that's how you can do it in your computer. So phone is actually more direct. Let's go straight to my phone and let me show you how you can do it. And let's go. Alright, so now I'm in my mobile. So this is where we're gonna set it. First of all, open your LinkedIn app, obviously. Go to top left, click on your picture at the top left, and you go to settings, and then you can see visibility. So this is more direct compared to in computer. Visibility, and here you can see profile viewing option. This is where you can set whether you want to browse profile in semi-private or in private. So if you private mode, you can see here, no one can see you. Okay, the same thing like computer. You can explore everything here as well. So this is quite similar to what we see in computer, and this is where you can adjust your browsing profile, whether it is in private and semi-private mode. If you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel to get more followers. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.